Let's go, man. Big CEO BJ back at it again. Today it's going to be really quick. Once again, like I said, how my new videos are about to be. Straight to the point. We cutting her locks off. Going to color it. Do a taper on the back. Line up. Everything else. That's it. Just like that. So as y'all see, I'm starting with the nape area. I'm just cutting all of the locks out. One by one. Just taking my time as I do it to make sure that I do the same length towards the scalp. At first I was nervous to see like will the roots will comb out because those were interlocked. They're like almost like sister locks, like micro locks. So I went ahead and shampooed and conditioner, picked out her hair. We did probably like 3 times to make sure that everything was fully clean off the scalp and that her hair was soft. So as you see, I'm applying the color. I went ahead and already applied the Vaseline around her hairline to make sure that no color would pass by that barrier. As you see, I'm just brushing it through to make sure everything is even. I'm going to be using my blow dryer as well to speed up the process. As you can see, we waited about 35 minutes. I'm just making sure everything is fully through, combing her hair, and then I'm shampooed, of course. Just shampooed and conditioned just to make sure everything was out. As you can see, I just knocked her hair down, did a taper on the back, lined her up, called it a day. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at bigceo.bj, at bj.cuts with 2 Z's. Let's go.